This is not a planner. It's a gamified goal accelerator, an anecdote to dopamine-packed doom scrolling, a new way of not just getting things done, but enjoying the process. Because this is the Whimsington Planner. Your journey begins with a cry for help. The devious dragon is wreaking havoc on the town of Whimsington, and your main quest is to save the town by completing your real-world goals. But there's a catch. The devious dragon isn't alone. Monsters from near and far are causing chaos in the town. Fortunately, a local newspaper called the Whimsington Wayfarer keeps you in the know each month. Let's take this month's report as an example, where the Wicked Willow has taken root in Whimsington. To defeat it, you'll need special items and XP, in this case, an axe and an axe-wielding skill of at least 3. So how can you earn the items and XP you need? Simple. You get things done. That's because your monthly goals come with rewards to equip your character. And as you check them off, you'll return to a centralized hero tracker with all of your progress, including which items you've earned, your skill levels, any gold you've collected, and the monsters you've defeated. But there's a problem. Nobody's perfect. So what happens if you fall short? For example, let's say you didn't finish the goal assigned to the axe you needed to chop down the Wicked Willow. Fear not, because that's where weekly side quests come into play. What I mean is that by completing your most important goal for the week, you can earn gold. Then, before your end of the month battle, you can shop for whatever you're missing using the gold you've earned. Where? At Whimsy Wares, the best and only shop in Whimsington. This comes in clutch when it's time to gear up for battle. From there, you'll see if your productivity stacks up to whichever monster you're facing, eventually leading to the final showdown with the devious dragon. But there's even more within these pages, because the Whimsington Planner balances fun with functionality. That's why it includes monthly calendars, habit tracking, weekly outlooks, room for notes, and much more. All with 12 undated months, so you won't feel the time crunch of dated planners if you need a break. It's everything you'd expect from a weekly planner, elevated by gamification and a unique reward system. So who is this for? Whether as a gift for a gamer, someone with ADHD, or a fantasy lover, the options are endless. Not to mention, the Whimsington Planner features a quality fabric hardcover, 2-ribbon bookmarks, thick premium paper, over 300 pages of adventures packaged beautifully for every order. So if you're ready to turn your goals and tasks into quests, this one's for you. Visit whimsington.com to order yours today.